In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to the home page of your Odoo website. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Accounting app. Just look for the Accounting icon, which will bring you to the centralized hub for all your financial data. Next, after you've found yourself in the Accounting section, go ahead and click on the Accounting option. This will direct you to the area where you can manage all of your accounting processes seamlessly. Now, our focus is on journal entries, so click on Journal Entries. This is where all the journal entries you've created or imported will appear. It's crucial for managing your accounting records. Once you're on the Journal Entries page, look for a gear icon located right next to the Journal Entries header. Click on that gear icon. It's your gateway to more options available for journal entry management. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll see a slick little menu pop up, and here you should click on the Import option. This action will set you up perfectly for uploading your journal entries. Great! Now it's time to upload your file with the journal entries. Click on the Upload button. You'll need to navigate to the file on your computer that contains the journal entries you want to import. Select that file and prepare for the next step. After you've uploaded the file, you'll want to test the import to ensure that everything is correct. Click on the Test button. This is an important step. It checks the data in the file you've uploaded to see if it aligns with the requirements for Odoo. When you see that everything is marked as valid, you're in the clear. You should see a message that says, "Everything seems valid." That's your confirmation that your file is ready to be imported into the journal entries. Finally, let's wrap this up. Click the Import button to save the entries into your Odoo system. Once you click it, your journal entries are officially imported and integrated into your accounting system. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully imported journal entries into Odoo. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you go through the steps, it all becomes second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Odoo tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back soon to learn more about managing your business effectively with Odoo.